Are you seeing the Orangeemu.dll runtime error mid-game? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I've diagnosed the fix to keep your gaming session stable. Quickly resolve Orangeemu inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Orangeemu, an Origin client-service emulator primarily associated with the Anodias bypass for EA games, ERG, The Sims 4. It intercepts licensing and online chat calls intended for the EA app and Origin client. Because it modifies the execution environment, it is a high-volume target for antivirus deletions. If missing, the game will attempt to launch the official Origin client, failing with a license not verified error. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This issue typically involves a missing piece of the graphics runtime environment. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime setup to restore legacy DirectX files, and then update your graphics drivers to resolve any hardware-specific dependencies for Orangeemu.dll. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Orangeemu file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Remember that Orangeemu.dll is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Orangeemu. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Orangeemu dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.